Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 9195. And news of today. Well, 331 days ago, another war started in. Another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel. Still going on. The war. It seems we will. Hit 1 year. Yep, 365 days. So 1 month to go. Yeah. One whole year in war. Anyway, in today's newspaper, I've not showed you the newspaper of Monday, September the 2nd, 2024. Yeah. Two puzzles are solved, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. It's time now for the binary puzzle. Alright, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10, and before I start I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. Yeah, 28. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 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 Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Now the double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1, double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1, between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1, double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1, double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's, double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in the last row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be an O. Between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one, double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1, between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Well, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If we play, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So these two boxes should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Between the O's comes an 1. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, the 5th one, then we have here 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I need to compare now. Yeah. Do we have a double O? Oh. Double O 101. Double O, no. Here the double 1. O 101. Oh, yeah. This column and that column, the 3rd column. Let me compare. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finished. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 6 minutes. We solve it again with one time comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.